You have been sitting on some cash on Instagram, y'all, and I'm bringing you the juice. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amazon AM A to the ZONEVR. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing ways you could make money off of Instagram. The first way you can make money off of Instagram is by copywriting. Now, if you are amazing at copywriting, you could make money from writing amazing art copies, writing captions and bios for people, designing Instagram bios and Instagram descriptions for people, and that, honey, can make you cash out. Okay, now Instagram, the bio of an Instagram page is very important because it just makes that page searchable and of course optimizable. So if you could write amazing art covers for Instagram and Facebook advertisements, you could actually target amazing audience with your copywriting skills. So copyright is one way you could make money off of Instagram. How do you do that? Search through your Instagram following and followers and find out the brands that you do not think their bio looks amazing enough to capture what they're actually selling off on the gram. So you could actually DM them, hey, my name is this. Send them like a little, portfolio, and then you're ready to cash out. The second way you can make money off of Instagram is as a DM closer. Now, what is DM closing? DM closing is when you have the skill set of making people buy the things they didn't actually intend to buy. So how does this work? You're literally just going to target, a certain brand audience, and then you send them DM, maybe sometimes based off of the comments they leave in the post as engagements to this brand's post, okay? So you go to the DM and you make those people get to buy something off of that brand you're representing. Now you could actually earn in percentages, okay, based on what you actually sell off. All of that can be negotiated between you and the brand you're working for. The third way you can make money off of Instagram is by designing Instagram templates and carousels. Now lately carousels are a big thing on the gram, and so if you'd like to know how you could make money designing Instagram carousels, you could do that. If you're great with designs, you're great with Canva, you have an eye for amazing color templates, then you could also make money off of Instagram by designing carousels for Instagram brands. These carousels and templates can actually be used by these brands to actually portray their brand identity, or maybe just do text branding, okay? So if that's something you're good at, then you're sitting on cash. Baby girl, go get that cash. The third way you can make money off of Instagram is through affiliate marketing, especially if you have a large following with amazing engagement. Even if you just have 1,000 people following you and you have engagement as high as 300 likes and 30 to 100 comments on each post, then that can be monetized. How do you do that? Reach out to brands and then you talk to them and tell them, look, I have an amazing following. The numbers don't lie on the gram. So when you show out these numbers, they're able to relate to the fact that if I give you something to sell for me, I'm going to get customers coming in. Okay, so you get these brands to work with you, create an affiliate marketer link for you. So when people buy off of your link, you get to earn a penny that, of course, always amounts into £1. Okay? So you're able to sell off the things that you know and the things that you use off of Instagram, and you make some cash out of it. Another way affiliate marketing can work also is that you have people within you or within your circle, friends and families who have amazing businesses. And if you wear nice clothing and everyone is like, where did you buy this clothes when you post it on Instagram? That could be an amazing way to reach out to that family member of yours. So, hey, 10 people liked this outfit of yours when I posted it on my Instagram, and I'm thinking that you could make some cash off of it. So if I bring you these 10 people, that means you're going to charge them and I get 15% off of everything that you charge them. That's something. You're making cash out of it. You could also make it such that I give you 5 people, I get 1 dress free, whatever works for you. But the fact is that you've monetized that audience space. The next way you could also earn money on Instagram is that you could earn money as a content creator. There are several brands out there who cannot afford to write or who cannot afford to project their brands out online perfectly. And if this is a skill set that you have, then you're sitting on money, honey. So just reach out to these brands and then tell them what you think about their brand, honest criticism about the brand, and how you can also help improve the brand sales and, of course, the engagement engagement on the social media platforms by offering your skill in content development and content creation. It is amazing. Another way you can make money off of Instagram is actually creating content calendars for busy brands, especially entrepreneurs who have a 9 to 5 on the side. So an entrepreneur who has a 9 to 5 on the side is not ready to start sitting down to think of ideas on what he or she should write about on Instagram. How do I project and what strategy do I use to upload my content on the gram to bring in more sales leads and create more sales funnel? Now, how do you do this? You know how to do this. You know how to create amazing content calendars for your brand, and that is something you should leverage on. So reach out to these brands. I can send you a 30 days, 15 days content calendar that you could use to post on your Instagram page. And that way you don't need to think of these ideas. I think about them, I bring them to you. All you have to do is just implement it with your social media manager if you have one. If you don't have one, I could also take up the entire job of being your social media manager as well. Okay, that is something and some way you could make money off of Instagram. Okay, you could also make money off of Instagram if you have a special skill set that you could teach people. If you know how to edit pictures with amazing presets and create an amazing Instagram theme and feed, that is also a way to make money. Okay, you could actually teach bloggers and lifestyle bloggers and every other content creator who want to have preset themed pages how to edit these pictures using your smartphones, especially if you use your smartphone to do the same thing. All right, so another way you could make money off of Instagram is by granting what I call product reviews or service reviews. Now, the first time I ever made money off of Instagram was by reviewing products. Okay, so you could review products and brands, and then you get to make some cash out of it. It might be on commission base or basically just upfront payment. So you get a product, you are paid upfront to talk about this product, use this product and give your honest reviews. That way people get to see more of these products and these brand gets to have more customer coming in from your own end. So if you have an amazing followers base and you have an amazing engagement on your post, then product review is something you could actually start to earn money with on Instagram. Okay, so another way you could make money off of Instagram is by strategic commenting. Now, have you ever gone to people's Instagram pages and then you read the post and you go to the comments and you see pretty intelligent comments that just resonates with you and you can actually relate to those comments, and you're like, who is this person? You just quickly go check out their page. That's what Instagram strategic commenters do. So they actually leave strategic comments, not just some emojis or some wow, this is beautiful, or wow, you're inspiring. No, they actually leave strategic comments under people's posts. Now, this actually drives traffic to the brands or the pages or the brands that these people manage or comment under. So if you comment for a brand, we're going to leave strategic comments on where these brands' competitors are and where their customers or audience can actually be found. So that way you're able to actually track these things because you know the number of followers you gained while working as a strategic commenter for that brand, and also the page visit and the profile visit, whether it increased or did decrease, and that's how your pay is being tracked. So these are the amazing ways you could actually make money off of Instagram. So don't sit on a gold mine, y'all. Don't sit on it. Alright, so that's basically it. If there's any more tip, I remember at the end of this video, I'm going to link it. I'm just going to put it in the description box, okay, below. So ensure that you go check that out and maybe in the comment section. Let me know which of these helped you in your comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, it's Amazon, AMATZON. Till next time, stay amazing and always ensure that you cash out. I love you. Bye.